Hi guys, I thought I'd show a movie of my latest snowblower. It's a MTD Flite. It is huge. Look at the size of the tires. Yeah, that's my puny little foot compared to this big tire. 8 horsepower Tecumseh motor and a 33-inch path. It's huge. I mean, I thought my 28-inch was pretty big. Ain't got nothing on this. I don't know, I'm thinking about maybe putting tire chains on there, but it does have some weight, but it's not extremely heavy. But I did rebuild the carburetor on it. Here's, did I line it up right? Yeah. Here's some of the parts. The bowl gasket, no good. Old jet gasket, no good. And the float, all corroded, and then it has those dents on there. You can see them. Yeah, not supposed to have that. Replace the needle. And the seat. It all came in a kit that I bought. It was like $4. But I'm debating if I want to keep this or my Jacobson tractor. That's got a 38-inch snowblower attachment on it. And I'm wondering which one I want to keep. This one or the one that I can't show you a picture of because I don't have it yet. It's not in my possession.